In this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to use Clearpay on Amazon now in 2024. So what you're going to do firstly is to just go into your Amazon app. And as you can see, I'm currently on my Amazon app right here. And by the way, this also works if you're using a computer. It's going to be the exact same step by step guide, just so you know. And what you're going to do in here, I'm just going to pick a random thing that I'm going to demonstrate to you. So we can take this one right here. I'm going to click on buy now. So for example, let's say that I would like to buy this one right here. I don't really know what it is actually, but I'm just going to scroll down and click on buy now right here. Just going to load here for me, so just a second, and then I should be taken straight to the payment method right here, as you can see. So now what you can do, if your location right now is in that specific location that allows you to be able to have Clearpay, then you can click where it says add a payment method in here, and then you will be able to actually have Clearpay as an option to be able to pay for Amazon in here. But unfortunately right now I'm actually not a location based in that specific location that allows me to have Clearpay as an option to pay on Amazon basically. So that is why I'm not able to actually use it. And hopefully Clearpay will also allow us to actually purchase gift cards on Amazon through them, and then you can just click on gift cards right here, as you can see, and enter the code. But I did check the Clearpay website, and it seems that Amazon right now is not an option on Clearpay, but hopefully they will be able to introduce it soon to us. So basically this is exactly how to do this.